Hi guys, once again we are going on to the next step where we'll be trying to add a video that is like how to upload a video into YouTube. So basically for that what we are going to do is go here, you could see this button plus create and then upload video. As soon as you click upload video, you're going to have something called as select files. So what we are going to do is select files. Once we select, as soon as I press open, what's going to happen is that I'm going to get the basic details. So here I'm going to give it as how to upload YouTube videos. Once that is done, basically I'm going to write some description. As of now what I'm going to do is copy and I'm pasting it, and then once your video has been uploaded, what happens is like you will see somewhere here it is written as uploading. So once this is done, you would get all the thumbnails which would give us an idea what the video is going to be about. So we are going to press on that and it will be auto generated. If you're going to do it manually where something else, a picture of something like that, what you're going to do is press upload thumbnail, and then that will be when, as soon as you open your videos, this is the photo that you see. So it will give a basic description or an idea what it's going to be. So then this is a playlist where I'm creating on YouTube create as a playlist. So press done. Once that is done, audience. So the most important thing is like where you're making it for kids. So the content is specifically for kids, then you got to mention it. If it's not made for kids, then you can put not for kids. So what I'm trying to do is go on to quick steps, whereas we are not going into depth where it's like you got more of advanced options. So once this is done, then what we're going to do is press next. So this is the same thing where your video has been uploaded, and then you're going to put in all the details like add an end card, end screen. End screen is like where you see a one screen. If I would have 2-3 videos uploaded to me, so what I want to do is I have so many videos that the other person might have not viewed or seen. So I'm going to put some of the video like small thumbnails which would come. So when the video is going to end, you would get this screen. So I'm going to press. So this is like retaining your viewer from going to some other channel. So what is going to do? Click on Twitter. There it's gone. So that's how it is. And then again we are going to the next screen. So I'm not doing any of this because I'm still in the starting stages of a YouTube channel. It's just an experimental process that I'm going through. And then press next. So again this page will basically give you whether the checks have been carried out by YouTube and they confirm that there's no plagiarism, or have you taken any videos of someone else and posting it. And if for some reason if you're going to put some of the videos with an song which is copyright protected, so these will be checked in these places, and then YouTube would come up. I think they got some algorithmic construction which straight away gives you so fast. I don't know how they do that, but it gives you if there is any copyright protection, then the video will notify and you go to make changes accordingly. Then we go into visibility. So this is where, so as soon as what I do is basically like I put it into private and get it uploaded, and once it gets uploaded I try to watch it and check whether it needs any corrections. Then once if I'm satisfied with the corrections, then I make it public. But if you're going to do it straight away as public, so we are going to put it as public, and then we're going to press next. So once you do that, what happens is like the uploading is still in progress. You can see this is like only 47%. So you will have a notification coming. So we're gonna wait for some more time. So you would find that the uploading process is still in progress. So I'll hold on for a minute and then maybe I'll come back, join you again so that we can see how the progress is.